Hi students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we will be discussing a very important concept of not only chemical engineering but of all branches of engineering where you discuss anything about thermal or heat energy. दो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजीज जो इंजीनियरिंग के हर एक कोर ब्रांच के अंदर एप्लीकेबल है, आज हम लोग उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. एंड दे आर sensible and latent heat. They are very important and intrinsic to the thermal engineering concept that is applicable equally for chemical as well as mechanical branch students. First year के अंदर there is a good amount of description, and in the subsequent semesters of engineering you come across these terminologies very frequently. Let's have a very good understanding of this. So what exactly is heat? So when I talk of heat का मतलब क्या है? Heat is nothing else but it is a form of energy which is given to a particular component or it can be removed from a component. Heat एक form of energy का एक form है जिससे हम लोग एक component के internal energy को increase या decrease कर सकते हैं. So what happens basically is when you are providing heat, the molecules of that particular component either gain energy or suppose if you are removing heat तो molecules की energy कम होती है. Based on this we have different states of matter. If we just talk of solid, liquid and gas, जो तीन common states of matter है जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात करते हैं, solid, liquid and gas. And fundamentally इसके अंदर जो difference है that is the distance, intermolecular distance, or I can also term it in terms of intermolecular distance or intermolecular force of attraction. Solids के अंदर the intermolecular force of attraction are very strong जिसकी वजह से the components, the molecules they are very closely packed. Liquids के अंदर force कम रहता है so they are slightly loosely packed. And in gases the intermolecular forces of attraction are the least जिसकी वजह से the molecules have a very large intermolecular distance. उनके बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा जगह है. So when you are providing heat, a solid component moves gradually from the solid state to liquid state and from liquid state to gaseous state. उसी तरह से आप energy remove करेंगे so gases would be converted to liquids and liquids to solids. So now there is a relationship between heat that is provided and the changes in this matter. So we'll try to understand the concept of sensible and latent. Heat जब आप प्रोवाइड करते हैं किसी चीज़ को, they basically fall into two categories. The first one is sensible and the second one is latent. हम लोग जस्ट ट्राई करेंगे इस वर्ड का जो मतलब है उसे समझने की, and if you are aware of the meaning of these words, you will never go wrong in interpreting what exactly it is. So जब हम बात करते हैं sensible means something which makes sense. दिखने से लग रहा है हाँ it's correct, common sense, right? So when you are providing heat to a component and its temperature increases, simple sense में आप बात कर लीजिए, if you are taking water and if you are providing heat to it, अगर उसका temperature बढ़ रहा है, it means it makes sense. मैं जो heat दे रहा हूँ, it is getting converted into the thermal energy of the molecules and the temperature of water is increasing. So this type of energy, this form of energy where you are providing heat and the temperature of the body increases is what is known as sensible heat. मैं हीट दे रहा हूँ बाहर से और जो बॉडी है, जो कंपोनेंट है, उसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है, इट मीन्स इट इज सेंसिबल हीट. द सेकेंड कंपोनेंट लेटेंट. व्हाट डज दिस वर्ड लेटेंट मीन? लेटेंट का मतलब होता है कंसील्ड और हिडन, जो दिखता नहीं है. नाउ सपोज द वाटर हैज रीच्ड टू अ टेम्परेचर ऑफ 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. उसके बाद आप हीटिंग कंटिन्यूसली दे रहे हैं, बट यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द थर्मोमीटर दैट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ वाटर इज नाउ नॉट इंक्रीजिंग. जो पानी का टेम्परेचर है वो बढ़ नहीं रहा, लेकिन आप कंटिन्यूसली उसे हीट सप्लाई कर रहे हैं. सो वेयर इज दिस हीट गोइंग? कहीं छुप जाता है, और इज इट हिडन समवेयर? यस, this heat is utilized in converting the molecules of water from liquid to gaseous state, liquid to vapor state. सो ये एनर्जी छुपी हुई है, इट्स नॉट मैनिफेस्टिंग इटसेल्फ, आपको ये दिख नहीं रहा बिकॉज द थर्मोमीटर रीडिंग इज कांस्टेंट एट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो यू कैन नॉट सी दिस, उसकी वजह से कंसील्ड या फिर छिपा हुआ, हिडन कहते हैं, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज नोन एज लेटेंट. यहाँ पे यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग हीट बट द टेम्परेचर इज नॉट इंक्रीजिंग. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो सी टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज नहीं होगा, इट मीन्स इट डजेंट मेक सेंस. आप हीट दे रहे तो हीट जा कहाँ रही है. दिस हीट इज यूटिलाइज फॉर कन्वर्टिंग liquid to gas, from water to water vapor. So ये जो heat है इसे हम लोग कहेंगे latent heat. A graph which can very well explain the concept of sensible as well as latent heat will be taken here. If I just plot on x-axis I take the temperature and on y-axis I take the energy. Energy I am taking it in terms of Q or basically heat. Say initially I am having ice at say minus 15 degree Celsius. Minus 15 degree Celsius पे I am having ice with me. I start providing heat to it and its temperature increases from minus 15 to minus 10, minus 5 and finally it reaches to 0 degree Celsius. It is right now at this particular place where its temperature is 0 degree Celsius. And here also I just plot it out. Now I continue heating and provide more and more heat. But what I observe is that the temperature of ice is now constant. But the only physical change that I can find is the solid component, the solid water which we call ice is now gradually melting and ice is getting converted into liquid water, but the temperature is remaining constant at 0 degree Celsius. So I can say I am providing heat but the temperature is constant, so I can plot graph something like this. So here it was ice, here again ice, but here now it is water. At this particular point it is water at 0 degree Celsius, but yes, some amount of energy has been consumed, has been utilized in this portion also. Further I continue this process and I continue providing heat. Now because the entire ice has melted and now what we are having is water at 0 degree Celsius, again the temperature of water starts to rise and gradually the temperature increases till, as most of you would guess it right, 100 degree Celsius. And 100 degree Celsius is the temperature at which water boils. 100 degree Celsius पे water जो है boil होना start करेगा. Once again it starts to boil, a phase conversion from liquid to vapor, liquid to gas. Immediately the rise in temperature stops even though we are continuously providing heat. हम लोग continuously heat provide कर रहे हैं लेकिन अब इसका temperature नहीं बढ़ेगा. That again brings us to the next part of this curve where the temperature is constant but you are providing some heat. So at this point it is again water, but now when the temperature is constant, this energy is being utilized in converting water from liquid state to gaseous state. It is getting converted from water to water vapor. So what we have at the end of this is water is converted into vapor at 100 degrees Celsius. What we have here is steam again at exactly 100 degrees Celsius. We continue this process and the temperature again starts to rise. If you can see, students, we have a very good graph which explains us the difference between latent heat and sensible heat. Let's come back to the initial point and try to find out the phase changes and the terminologies associated with that. शुरुआत में we had here ice at minus 15 degrees Celsius. I provided some heat and it was converted to ice at 0 degrees Celsius. temperature has increased, so it makes sense. So it is known as sensible. Sensible heat of what is the component? It is ice. So sensible heat of ice. Now, from here to here it is sensible. From here to here, you have provided heat, but the temperature has not increased. Temperature बढ़ा नहीं है, temperature has remained same, but it has led to the change of state from solid to liquid, from ice to water. So this is known as the latent heat. So I can say latent heat of melting. Always remember, latent heat will be associated with a phase transformation. लेटेंट हीट जो रहेगा एक फेज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के साथ एसोसिएटेड होगा, दो फेजेस के साथ कनेक्टेड होगा. लेकिन जो आपका सेंसिबल हीट है दैट विल बी एसोसिएटेड विद ओनली वन फेज. सो दिस इज सेंसिबल हीट ऑफ आइस एंड दिस इज द लेटेंट हीट ऑफ मेल्टिंग. अगेन फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, water at 0 degree Celsius to water at 100 degree Celsius, so obviously it is sensible and it's liquid. So sensible heat of water. So this is again sensible heat of water. From here to here, water is getting evaporated. Water at 0 degree Celsius to transform to steam at 100 degree Celsius. So it is again temperature constant. So whenever temperature is constant, we have latent. And the phenomena is vaporization. So you can say latent heat of vaporization. As simple as that. Now from here, steam is getting supersaturated. So anywhere here, I can say it is superheated steam. So again, it's sensible heat of steam. This particular graph makes it very clear what is the difference between sensible as well as latent heat. Sensible और latent heat के बीच का difference बहुत ही clear हो जाता है अगर आप इस graph को हमेशा याद रखें. Just revising back, we had ice at -15 degree Celsius. We added heat to it. Heat add करने पे the temperature increased from -15 to 0 degree Celsius. State remains constant. Temperature increased, so it is sensible heat of ice. 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस से हमने फिर से हीट दिया. आइस एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज कन्वर्टेड टू वाटर एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. फेज चेंज हुआ लेकिन टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट रहा, सो वी कॉल दिस लेटेंट. एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस, व्हाट इज द फिनोमेना दैट इज हैपनिंग? इट इज मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस टू वाटर. सो हमने इसे नाम दिया लेटेंट हीट ऑफ मेल्टिंग. लेटेंट हीट ऑफ मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस, यू कैन कॉल दैट. फ्रॉम हियर वी कंटिन्यू. वाटर एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज कन्वर्टेड टू वाटर एट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Temperature is increasing, state is constant, so we call that sensible heat of water. यहाँ से again we heat it. Water at 100 degree Celsius is converted into steam at 100 degree Celsius. So no change in temperature, we call this latent. But change in phase, it is vaporization. So it is known as latent heat of vaporization. Finally, the steam you keep on heating, its temperature keep on increasing. And you have superheated steam. So again, that is sensible heat of steam. Friends, you always need to remember this, that whenever you are adding heat, it can either be latent heat or it can be sensible heat. If you ever tend to get confused, कभी भी आप लोग confused हो जाए कि sensible क्या है, latent क्या है, a small trick or a small tip from my side will always be, sensible word को याद रखिए, latent खुद याद रह जाएगा. सेंसिबल मीन्स इट मेक्स सेंस. आप किसी को हीट दे रहे, अगर उसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है, इट मीन्स इट इज मेकिंग सेंस, सो इट इज सेंसिबल. और जो सेंसिबल नहीं है, दैट इज व्हाट इज लेटेंट. आई होप दिस वीडियो ऑन सेंसिबल एज वेल एज लेटेंट हीट एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर ग्राफ of temperature versus heat for the melting of ice will make the concept of sensible and latent heat very clear to you all. Thank you.